Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Juice bar and salad bar. It's amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, I give you a quick update on what's going on. You know, I went to the shop and I brought some nice lovely mixed leaf. It is iceberg lettuce with some cabbage and some carrot, shredded carrot, and I decided to just add a few stuff to it and make a nice lovely salad. You know what I mean? Bring up the flavor and bring up a nice lovely taste with it. So this is all what's gonna happen. So if I come over here guys and see exactly what's gonna happen, then you will see what I'm talking about right here. Stay tuned. Nice. So basically I'm gonna add a few stuff to it just to bring up the color. We got spring onion. Nice lovely salad that you can make up for Mother's Day salad, you know, something for Mother's Day. We got some pepper. Keep Mother's Day salad very simple. All right. Red pepper and height, you know, bringing a lovely color. And we have some yellow pepper too. Red and green and cool and all them things. Mother's Day recipe. Got some tomato. She's gonna put also inside of it. Use this knife because I love to use this knife. Very sharp, you know. Now I'm playing at the kitchen now. Alright, let's add a little bit of pepper. Lovely. And then a little bit of chili. Anyway, this is what we're gonna add to it, you know. Just a little bit of got some black olive, and I just add the black olive to it. You can add some, to be honest guys, you can add something to it, but you don't need to, you know what I mean, some oil. Just keep it simple, you know. This is Mother's Day salad recipe from Chef Ricardo today. I just make a simple salad because there's so much things going on at the moment guys, you know what I mean. So we have to just keep it simple. Can't, you know what I mean, can't buy a recipe like before because of certain things. But anyway, we have to give thanks for who also donate to the YouTube channel. But look at that, fantastic salad for Mother's Day. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned. Remember, Mother's Day recipe is just a simple salad I do for Mother's Day. And you know, yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye. Keep it real.